Today's topic is how to properly store and transport an FIBC. At Capro Industries, we take worker safety very seriously. This guideline is part of our commitment to demonstrate how to safely handle FIBCs or bulk bags. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations and any information printed on the label or FIBC. Also, observe all applicable regulatory and safety requirements. When storing, only stack FIBCs if they are designed to be stacked, you are sure of their stability, and they are stacked using a pyramid or supported stacking method. When pyramid stacking, each bag above the layer must sit on at least 4 lower bags. Each layer is subsequently tiered inwards, forming a pyramid structure. With supported stacking, bags are stacked against 2 retaining walls of sufficient strength. Never approach or repair a damaged bag without first removing all bags stacked on top. Beware of sunlight and UV rays. Always protect your FIBCs from sunlight and the harmful effects of UV rays. Exposure to UV rays will weaken the strength of an FIBC. Beware of inclement weather. Always protect your FIBC from inclement weather, rain, snow, etc. Exposure to inclement weather could significantly weaken the strength of an FIBC. Here are a few more safety handling tips. Ensure all pallets are free from nails or protrusions that could damage the FIBC. The pallet should be appropriate size so the FIBC does not overhang the side. Always try to store your FIBCs inside a covered facility or warehouse that is free from any water or moisture contamination that could come into contact with your FIBCs or damage them. Outside storage is not recommended, but if you do, you should always cover them with some type of material that will prevent their exposure to UV rays and inclement weather. We do not endorse this type of storage, and this would be solely at your own risk. There is no guarantee the FIBC stored outside and unprotected from UV rays and inclement weather will be safe to handle. Adequately secure FIBCs during transportation. Avoid subjecting an FIBC to sudden lifts or sudden stops during transportation. Need to explore beyond the basics? For more safe handling guidelines, go to our website www.capro.net or call our safety consultants at 1-800-935-FIBC.